Hello everyone, Brian Funner here with X-Air Corporation. Today we are going to be discussing the X-Air vacuum gun. Here in this box we have a model 6392 vacuum gun all-purpose system. When you receive this system, in the box you will have a vacuum gun, a 0.1 micron filter bag that has a shoulder strap and a hose clamp, two 19-inch extension wands, a 10-foot long 1 1/4 inch conveyance hose, a skimmer tool, crevice tool, and a dust brush attachment. The last thing that is in the box is a vacuum gun installation and maintenance guide. This also has a parts listing for easy part identification of each piece of the kit. With the vacuum gun hooked up to our compressed air supply and the generator in blow mode and proper personal protection equipment, we're going to go ahead and blow all this debris back into the corner. Now, to vacuum up the debris, we could use the 10-foot flexible hose on the suction side or the discharge side of the gun, but instead what we're going to do is use our filter bag. We're simply going to slide the hose clamp over top the filter bag opening and then slide this onto the discharge side of the vacuum gun. Tighten the hose clamp and you're ready to go. Now on the suction side of the gun, I'm going to use a 19-inch wand and the skimmer tool just for demonstration. You can take the skimmer tool off, you can use just the extension wand. Or you can even take and actually hook up the crevice tool. Then to empty the bag, you simply slide the clip off to the side and all the debris will be emptied into a container. We have customers that use these in their production facility, automotive detailing. Some are even used to sort heavy parts from a light tumbling media. And we even have a couple that are used to disperse an insecticide powder to keep mites down in chicken coops. If you have any questions on the vacuum gun or any X-Air product, feel free to contact an application engineer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.